In a significant development concerning the ongoing Ingkhol land issue in Manipur, Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas has officially stepped into the matter. The Union Minister has written a formal letter addressed to the Governor of Manipur urging immediate attention and action. In his communication, Minister Athawale has called on the Governor to advise the relevant authorities to thoroughly examine the Ingkhol case and to take appropriate and timely action in the interest of justice and transparency. The letter from the minister, dated September 2nd of 2025, also includes a copy of an earlier correspondence sent to him by Maimom Anil Maitai, dated August 28th of 2025, through Maheshwar Thaunaujam, the National Secretary for Republican Party of India, Athawale. That letter is believed to have outlined key concerns and grievances related to the Ingkhol issue, prompting the minister to escalate the matter to the state's highest constitutional authority. This move has now brought fresh national attention to what has been a contentious local issue, potentially paving the way for higher level intervention and resolution. We'll continue to follow this story closely and bring you updates as they unfold.